All right, hello, my wonderful students. This is part number 4 of Foldable number 1. So for this one here, we have now we have a horizontal translation to the left. So we're shifting 2 units to the left, or 2 units because of this here. So we're going to kind of go over it again. Once again, we instead of having our parent function start from -2, go to +2. To show the graph a little easier on the shift, we're actually starting from -4 and going to 1. But same thing, so we have our -2 added to our +2 because it's going to be a shift inside here. So added to our +2, it's going to give us a -2. Absolute value -2 is going to be +2. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, up 2. Excuse me, then we have our -3 plus 2 gives us our -1. Absolute value of -1 is +1. So we go 1, 2, 3, 1. We have our -2. -2 plus 2 goes to 0. Absolute value of 0 is 0. And our -1. -1 plus 2 goes to 1. Absolute value of 1 is 1. And then our 0. 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. Absolute value 2 goes to 2. 0, 2. And our 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. Absolute value 3 is 3. So I'm going to draw my graphs again here. Alright, as you can see, once again, from the parent function, this translated left 2 units, 1, 2. We're actually also going to show you using the shading. What did I do? There it is. Alright, so if you look at this here, and you see, we can actually show our, where is it at? Here it is, 1, 0, 2, and 1, and then 1, 0, 1, and 2. But instead of going to the right 2 units, we're actually going to go to the left 2 units. That's why this is actually going upwards this time here. So still moving up 2 units, which is actually making it translate to the left, since this is going from left to right here. Okay, so, but what I didn't show you in the last videos, this is what I want to show you this time around, is this here. So if we notice this here, this is our function, the absolute value of x plus 2. And a lot of you think that, oh, if this is plus, why aren't we moving to the right? Just like when we did up here, this was plus, so we moved up, and this was minus, so we moved down. Why is it that whenever you have inside a either absolute value function or parentheses, do we now have a opposite effect? And the reason is here when we do the math. But I just wanted to let you know, every time we have an absolute value or we have parentheses, anything you do inside that's affecting the x inside either the function of the absolute value or parentheses, then it's going to be the opposite effect. Okay? So that's what you guys need to remember.